Hey guys, welcome to any channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the SamFW tool to unlock FRP on older Samsung phones. So all you have to do is download the tool on your PC and install it. Once done, you have to connect your phone. When you connect your device, it will show up there like you can see here. And from there, you have to go to Samsung and FRP tab, and from there select this option if you have an older device. So I'm going to choose the middle one. Okay, once done, now it will just read your phone specs, and you're gonna see this message here. So now you have to dial *#0 on your device and click on already open test mode. Okay, once done, you're gonna see enabling ADB on the tool, and after that you can receive some errors like this, but just ignore it if it's working. So now you're gonna see allow USB debugging option on your device. Simply tap on OK, and that's it guys. After that your FRP should be removed. So that's how you can use SamFW tool to remove FRP on your Samsung devices. So that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.